sleep, which is supposed to be one of the most important part of your health. You need at least 8 hours of sleep within a day. That means 24 hours of day, you need 8 hours of sleep. That means you need to have the sleep 1/3 of your entire life. Now the question is, what is the benefit of the sleep? Because of the sleep, you need the software upgrades of your brain, just like how we are upgrading the software in our iPhone. And because of the sleep, your body gets cleaned. So your body gets detoxified and your body can fight with the diseases, right? And the most important thing is that when you get up in the morning, you may tend to forget that what's happened on your yesterday's. That means your software upgrades of your brain is happening. So you need at least 8 hours of sleep. Now people used to sleep 4 to 6 hours, and it's medically proved it is not physically right things to do. Thank you.